Winter really messes with your solar panel efficiency and output way more than most people realize. So, here's the deal. In winter, the days are way shorter, so your panels just don't get as many hours of sunlight. Plus, there's usually more clouds and sometimes snow, which can cover your panels and block the sun even more. You want to keep those panels clean by brushing off any snow or dirt so they can soak up as much sun as possible. Also, angle matters a lot. Tilting your panels more steeply helps catch those low winter sun rays better. Don't forget about shading from nearby trees or buildings. In winter, shadows stretch longer and can seriously cut your output. Another tip is to watch out for cold but sunny days because solar panels actually work better in cooler temps. They're more efficient when it's cold but sunny, believe it or not. Lastly, check your system regularly to make sure no damage or ice buildup is hurting performance. Keeping an eye on your energy monitoring app helps spot dips in output so you can fix stuff fast. One of the biggest mistakes people make with solar panels in winter is expecting them to produce the same power as in summer. Total misunderstanding that leads to disappointment. The fix? Adjust your energy usage and budget accordingly, and don't freak out if your bills go up a bit. Another common problem is ignoring snow buildup. Letting snow sit on panels kills their output completely. Just get a soft brush or a roof rake and clear it off safely. Third, people often install panels at the wrong angle for winter sun, which cuts efficiency big time. Make sure your installer sets the tilt so it's optimized for those lower sun angles during winter months. BigHomeProjects.com is a solid spot for homeowners looking to find local contractors they can actually trust for projects like solar panel installation or maintenance. At the same time, it helps contractors get work by connecting them with folks who need their skills right in their own neighborhoods.